your go-to channel for everything on two wheels. Today we're diving deep into the powerhouse that is the 2025 Yamaha Vmax 1700cc V4. This motorcycle has long been an icon in the world of muscle bikes, and the 2025 model pushes the boundaries of performance, design and technology even further. Buckle up as we explore its features, performance, design and why this beast deserves a spot in the Hall of Fame. Design and styling. The Vmax has always been a head-turner, and the 2025 model is no exception. Yamaha has retained the muscular stance and aggressive lines that define the Vmax's character, while introducing subtle updates for a more modern look. The bike features an all-LED lighting system, including a sleek new headlamp design and stylish taillights. The 19-liter fuel tank, disguised as part of the bike's massive air intake system, adds to its intimidating presence. The chunky tires, sculpted seat, and exposed engine components further enhance its raw, mechanical aesthetic. Yamaha offers the 2025 Vmax in three striking color options: stealth black, metallic red, and cosmic gray. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Yamaha Vmax is its 679cc liquid-cooled DOHC 65-degree V4 engine, producing an astonishing 200 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 123 lb-ft of torque at 6,500 RPM. This engine isn't just about raw power, it's about controlled aggression. Thanks to Yamaha's variable intake system V's and YCCT Yamaha chip-controlled throttle, the power delivery is buttery smooth, whether you're tearing down the highway or cruising through city streets. The Vmax's refined fuel injection system ensures optimal combustion, which not only enhances performance but also meets stricter emission norms. The 5-speed gearbox paired with a slipper clutch delivers seamless shifts, ensuring you're always in control of this monster. Technology and features. Yamaha has integrated cutting-edge technology into the 2025 Vmax, enhancing both convenience and safety. The bike now comes with a full-color TFT dashboard, which provides real-time information such as speed, gear position, fuel level, and more. The customizable display allows riders to prioritize the information they need. Additionally, the Vmax includes ride-by-wire technology, multiple riding modes, and a quick shifter for clutchless upshifts. A new Bluetooth connectivity system allows you to pair your smartphone with the bike, enabling navigation, call alerts, and music controls directly from the handlebar-mounted switches. The 2025 Vmax also comes equipped with an adaptive headlight system that adjusts beam intensity and angle based on speed and lean angle, ensuring maximum visibility during night rides. Chassis and handling. The 2025 Vmax retains its iconic aluminum diamond-shaped frame, which provides exceptional rigidity while keeping the weight manageable. The frame works in harmony with the fully adjustable suspension setup, a 52mm telescopic front fork, and a link-type monocross rear shock. These components ensure a plush ride over uneven surfaces and unparalleled stability during high-speed maneuvers. The improved weight distribution and a low center of gravity make this bike surprisingly nimble for its size. Whether you're carving through corners or powering down a straight, the Vmax delivers a ride that's as exhilarating as it is confidence-inspiring. Braking system. When dealing with a machine of this caliber, braking performance is paramount. The 2025 Vmax features an advanced dual-disc Brembo braking system at the front and a single-disc setup at the rear, equipped with ABS for added safety. Yamaha has introduced a new cornering ABS system in the 2025 model, ensuring maximum stopping power even when leaning into curves. This braking system is complemented by a state-of-the-art traction control system, providing additional confidence when riding on slippery or uneven surfaces. Together, these features make the Vmax one of the safest muscle bikes on the market. A legacy of power. The Yamaha Vmax has been synonymous with raw power and unmatched performance since its debut in 1985. Its legendary V4 engine configuration was a game-changer, and it quickly became a favorite among enthusiasts looking for a machine that combined cruiser comfort with superbike speed. Over the years, Yamaha has refined this beast, with the 2025 model standing as a testament to its engineering brilliance. The 2025 Vmax keeps the legacy alive with its 679cc V4 engine, delivering mind-blowing performance figures. Yamaha claims the new iteration achieves even greater efficiency and responsiveness than its predecessors, thanks to an array of advanced technologies. Riding experience. Throwing a leg over the Vmax instantly transports you into a world of adrenaline and excitement. The wide handlebars, comfortable seating position, and ergonomically designed controls make the Vmax a joy to ride, whether you're cruising through the city or tackling long highway stretches. The engine's deep growl and the bike's seamless acceleration provide a visceral experience unmatched by most motorcycles in its class. Thanks to the improved suspension and braking systems, the 2025 Vmax feels more composed and rider-friendly, even at high speeds. Fuel efficiency and range. While fuel efficiency isn't the primary concern for a muscle bike, Yamaha has made notable improvements in this area. The 2025 Vmax offers a respectable 30 miles per gallon, giving it a range of around 170 miles on a full tank. This makes it a practical choice for longer rides, balancing performance and efficiency. Price and availability. The 2025 Yamaha Vmax is priced at $19,999, which positions it competitively in the muscle bike segment. Given its legacy, cutting-edge technology, and jaw-dropping performance, the price tag feels justified. Yamaha dealerships are expected to have this model in stock starting early 2025, with pre-orders already open in select regions. Why choose the 2025 Yamaha Vmax? If you're in the market for a motorcycle that offers raw power, cutting-edge technology, and an iconic design, the 2025 Yamaha Vmax is hard to beat. It's a bike that not only commands attention but also delivers a thrilling riding experience every time you twist the throttle. Whether you're a long-time Vmax enthusiast or someone looking for their first high-performance cruiser, this machine is designed to impress. Yamaha has done a remarkable job of keeping the Vmax relevant while staying true to its roots. The foot pegs are strategically placed to balance comfort and control, making the Vmax suitable for both spirited rides and relaxed cruising. The suspension system, featuring adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock, absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Conclusion. Thank you for tuning in to BikeZone, where we bring you in-depth insights into the world of motorcycles. The 2025 Yamaha Vmax 1700cc V4 is a testament to Yamaha's dedication to innovation and performance. It's a machine that celebrates power, style, and technology in perfect harmony. Stay tuned for more reviews, comparisons, and updates on the latest bikes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BikeZone for more thrilling content. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.